seeking extension unless he taken up today, he has to surrender. So maybe
No, I'm just taking off it. See that.
BL, current mention BLPL 236524 tied up matter.
Take you. Need.
Basis of involvement, proactive statement, other bail application order are likely.
Will take off serially, man.
I don't mention my lord. Bail appeal 655 2022. Tied up bail, my lord, directed to give it.
I beg your pardon to mention Mullahs. I'm appealing through VC Mullahs. My lord, supplemental list item number 98 Mullahs. During last occasion, it could not be taken up because of the paucity of time, Mullahs. It's a tied up bail matter, Mullahs. I have a humble request, Mullahs. If it could be taken up any point of time before your lordship rising today, I'd be more than obliged, Mullahs.
Okay. How patients are taking off one by one.
Maybe item 67 has become infructuous because he has been acquitted.
Item number
67 of your lordship's list.
67. It is BLAPL number 14259
My
of
lords.
2023. Rupesh Singh Besra.
My lords.
All right. Mr. Sudipto Pandal and counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner has been acquitted in the trial court and therefore this bail application has become infructuous in view of such submission. BLAPL is disposed of as infructuous.
Grateful, my lords.
Yes.
Item 93 also infructuous, my lord.
93.
CRL
number
301 of
301 of 20.
I find a modification of order that already matter resolved.
CRL মানে কোন conviction matter
My lord.
infructuous কোন
My lord, he has granted bail, my lord. So the verification report was not coming to the not called for by the court below, and it was held for 1 month. So I had filed another modification of order, my lord.
No,
That
what
is
has become
infructuous.
infructuous? CRLA has become
No, no, my lord. The IA.
Oh, IA has become it. IA number, item number 93, IA number 971 of 2024. This is an application for modification of order dated 11/3/2024. Mr. Samantrayal and counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that this IA has become infructuous. Accordingly, IA disposed of it. Yes.
Supplemental list item number 1.
Maybe. Coercive person granted bail by your lordship. The offences under section 341, 323, 386, 506, 34 of IPC, my lord. The informant case is, my lord. The page 10 is the affair.
Who has been granted bail?
Page 14, my lord. The name Vasudev Naik. That is
You were granted bail in 2018.
Yes, ma'am.
So maybe that in the meantime, what is the present status of the case?
Status my cognizance was taken and NBW was issued against the presentation.
No, NBW it's all right, but once the process under 82 and 83.
No, pending before. No process it 81.
Have you stated in your petition that 82, 83 process had not been
His
issued?
previous bail application, my lord, that is most valid 14360 2018 was rejected.
But because of this, since I dealt with the first application, it has come to me.
No, my lord, the another application also of this accused, because the
page 14 granted. Page 14.
My lord.
Occurrence is, my lord, 31/10/2017. The affair was in 14/8/2018.
No, I just I want to know that whether that processes under 82, 83 CRPC has been issued or not. That
no, my lord, my instruction is there. Notice.
So you get that instruction, take up. And earlier your anticipatory bail application has been rejected.
No, no, ma'am.
He said that.
Page
No,
14.
that is
Page
another
14.
Okay.
Granted.
ABLAPL number 3681 of 2024. This case is of the year 2018. Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that some of the co-accused persons have been one granted.
One granted and two other land court below.
One of the co-accused has already been granted anticipatory bail by this court, and two of the co-accused have been granted
Land court
regular
below.
bail by the court below. He further submits that he has instruction that charge sheet has been submitted, cognizance of offense has been taken. However, is not sure whether processes under 82 and 83 CRPC been issued against the petitioner or not. Put up this matter on 21st of May 2024. Instruction in that respect be obtained by the Land Council for the state. Okay.
Okay. Well, interim order.
Same order.
Interim order.
No,
Interim
let it come. You are for 6 years. You are nobody was touching you. Why so?
hopeless.
Yes.
Item 2.
Lordship. Offense under section 498 304B 302, but charge sheet filed under section 306 in the place of
Item 3.
May I please your lordship? My lord, in this case, the petitioner is in custody since, my lord, 17 June 2021, my lord.
Earlier bail application was
It
rejected.
was rejected by my lord by
When?
order dated 21/7/2023 passed in BLAPL 4676 of 22. I have annexed that order, my lord's order. I have annexed Annexure 1, my lord. While there were two petitioners, and my lord was pleased to grant bail to the accused Sahadev, and
Because there was no specific overt act of assault against that man, that is petitioner number 2.
my lord,
That is how he was released on bail.
my lord, on verification of record and the evidence of the witnesses, my lord.
But so far as you are concerned, assault on the deceased Doitari Patra is attributed against you. So that is the basic difference why
No, my
one
lord,
was granted
lord,
bail, the other was released.
my lord, the present petitioner and Sahadev, they stand on same footing, my lord.
So that was verified already, and
In view of the
submission,
evidence, I have already
the evidence of PWs 5 and 6, they were placed before me on the other day. State Council also.
My lord was rejected and also given liberty in the last but one para that if the trial is not concluded within the aforesaid period, then move again. That is only
So
liberty.
December 2023. So what one position kon?
My lord, in I have annexed the evidence of 9 witnesses, and till date only 2 extra witnesses have been examined. That means 11 out of 32. And when the
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 32 ଟାରୁ କେତେଟା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି
11ଟା ମାଇନ 11.
Well, let a report be called for to see that. Learning Counsel for the petitioner submitted that when the petitioner approached this court last time in BLAPL number 4676 of 2022, his bail application was rejected as per order dated 21/7/2023. However, direction was issued to the London Trial Court to expedite the trial and to conclude the same by end of December 2023, and the petitioner was given liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the aforesaid period.
My lord.
It is further submitted that he has instruction that out of 32 charge sheet witnesses, only 11 witnesses have been
My-
examined so far in the trial court. In view of such submission, let a report be called for from the London Trial Court, that is Additional Session Judge Anandapur, in ST case number 34 of 2022, relating to the status of the case. Matter be listed in the on 21st of June 2024.
My lord, he may be released on interim bail some period.
Sorry, yes.
Item 4.
Your Lordship. The petitioner is in custody since 16/1/2024, my lords. The case is under section 380 by 24, my lords. Initially, I was not.
What is the date of custody?
16/1/24.
Charge sheet submitted.
Yes, my lords. In the first initial charge sheet submitted, charge sheet was not submitted against me, and investigation kept open. Subsequently,
What is the offense under which charge sheet submitted?
380 by 34.
How many cases are there against you?
No, not against me. One case. Your Lordship has already released the main accused who has been named in the FIR. That is BL appeal number 995 of 20, my lords.
For 380 offense, why you are in custody for so many days? You said that it was on 16/1/2024.
Because earlier he approached this honorable court by filing anti-surety bail application. Your Lordship directed to surrender and go on. Thereafter, COVID intervened, and he didn't submit it. Thereafter, he was arrested. And
yes, what do you say, Mr. Are the Land Council for the petitioner and counsel for the state, considering the submission made by the Land Council for the petitioner, that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 16/1/2024. He has been charge sheeted under section 380 by 34 of the Indian Penal Code, which is triable by magistrate. I am inclined to release, after hearing the Land Council for the state, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail allowed.
Item 5.
Pleasures. Offences are tribal by magistrate. Charge sheet submitted under section 419, 420, 468, 471, 120B by 34 of the IPC. Some of the accused persons released on anticipated bail.
What is the date of custody?
1/12/2022.
1/12/22.
Yes, madam.
Your earlier bail application was rejected by this.
As your first bail application was dealt by your lordship, that is in the flag. That is the reason this case be listed before your lordship.
Okay, so 1/12/2022 and charge sheet submitted under section
419, 420, 468, 471, 120B by 34 of the IPC.
What is the allegation against you? What you have done?
36% accused persons are there. On an average, they take a loan of rupees 3 lakhs, and total amounts comes to rupees 1 crore 6 lakhs. And I am also taking loan of rupees 3 lakhs, but outstanding on the date of the FIR is 2,91,218. By this allegation.
Loan taken from which institution?
From bank, my lord.
Which bank?
Union Bank.
Who bank?
Union Bank of India.
Union Bank of India. So submitting forged document or what?
No. I'm not returned the amount.
No,
but some of the accused persons are submitting forged document.
If you have taken the loan not returned, then it's a civil consequence. Why a criminal case has been filed?
Because I introduced some of the persons who are also taking the loan, that they are the staff of the drainage division. I am the establishment officer of the drainage division.
Kindly come to para 6 of the rejection petition, my lord. Second page of 3. During the period of 16/3/2012 to 8/5/2012,
You are placing which paragraph?
My lord, paragraph 6,
Page number?
page number 2 of the,
Pay you the materials on record.
my lord.
Ah.
Next page, my lord. During the period from 16/3/2012 to 8/5/12, 45 saving bank accounts meant for receiving salary from the office of the chief engineer, drainage office, were opened at their branch in the name of persons claiming to be employees of the said office on the basis of introduction offered by the present accused, Ravindra Kumar Jena, establishment officer in the said office. And these employees names which that documents are false, and that was my lord, made an allegation. On that basis, loan was granted.
What is the status of the loan amount?
CDBT
on the date of the affair, କିଛି amount ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, କିଛି outstanding ଅଛି. By the basing of this allegation, some of the co-accused persons also released on anticipated bail matter.
Those who have
Taken up
taken loan.
And those account holders have held the personal loan by submitting fake and false document being identified by the present petitioner.
Yes, ma'am.
He has identified,
All
but
the
loan has been taken by
taken by other
explicit.
persons.
And they have been granted bail, as he said. That is the
And because this person, because of this person introduction,
obviously, they were able to get that loan. Otherwise, but
because they claimed as a employee of the chief engineer office, drainage office.
Otherwise, they would not have got that loan amount. But if they have now repaid the loan amount to some extent, he's saying that. Or the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel.
It's a case of 2013, my lord.
Huh?
Case of 2013.
Submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1/12/2022, and charge sheet has been submitted under section 419, 420, 468, 471, 120B by 34 of the Indian Penal Code, and the offences are triable by magistrate. It is further argued that the allegation against the petitioner is that during the period from 16/3/2012 to 8/5/2012, 45 saving bank accounts meant for receiving salary from the office of chief engineer drainage office were opened at Union Bank of India, and wherein it is indicated that the persons are the employees of the said office on the basis of the introduction offered by the present petitioner, which was found to be not correct. The Learned Counsel submits that some of the persons who had availed loan have been granted bail by this court, anticipatory bail by this court, and he files the copies of the bail orders which are taken on record. Learned Counsel further submits that in view of the nature of accusation against the petitioner, and since loan amount has been repaid in some cases, the bail application may be favorably considered, particularly taking into account the detention period of the petitioner in judicial custody. Learned Counsel for the state oppose the prayer for bail. जो 34 तो चार्जशीट है ही नहीं, रिजेक्शन ऑर्डर खाली 120B अछि, सेकंड थर्ड
କିନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି ନା
सेटा काटी दियंतु 134 टा कर दियंतु. Considering the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the respective parties, nature of accusation against the petitioner, fact that the offences are triable by magistrate, and further taking into account the release of the co-accused persons on anticipatory bail and period of detention in judicial custody, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail.
obliged.
Item 6.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the petitioner is in custody since 26/12/2019, my lord, for offences under the NDPS Act, my lord. My lord, quantity seized was 27 kg, my lord.
So your earlier bail
He
application,
rejected, my lord, on the ground that the detention.
what is the number of that bail?
My lord, 4617 of 2020. My lord, co-accused has already been released on bail.
Because of that quantity and because of that bar under section 37, the bail application was rejected. So now you say that you have been in custody since 2019 December.
Yes, my lord.
So what is the position in the trial court, status of the case?
My lord, the trial has not been concluded, my lord.
କେତେ ଜଣ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି?
Only two person has been, my lord.
2 witnesses have been
Yes,
examined.
yes,
What is the total number of charge sheet witnesses?
my lord. Seven, my lord.
7.
Yes, my lord.
So let us get a report from the trial court. Learned counsel for the petition submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 26/12/2019, and he has instruction that out of 7 charge sheet witnesses, only 2 witnesses have been examined. In view of the submission, let a status report be called for from the London trial court, that is additional session judge cum special judge Korapur, in TR case number 49 of 2019, matter be listed on 21st June 2024.
My lord, co-accused has already been released on bail. My lord, I have annexed that.
You want it to be rejected today, or
No,
you will have patience to wait till 21st? Yes, next.
Oblige me.
Item 7.
May I please agree? On the basis of the report lodged by one Ruli Adavar, initially FR
Please use the mic properly.
on the basis of the FR lodged by one Ruli Udavar,
It's a
initially
302 case.
Malar
Have you received the case diary?
Malar
Case matter.
placement.
The London Council for the State took some time to obtain the case diary, put up this matter on 21st June 2024. CD and instruction about the criminal antecedent to be obtained in the meantime. Yes.
Item 8.
The petitioner is in custody since 6/11/23 under section 326B307 54 of IPC. Police has submitted charge sheet and co-accused has been released on bail by this honorable court. By your lordship, my lord, in BLPL number 5509 of 17.
You threw a seat to the Panchanan Naik and Kamdev Naik. That is the allegation against you.
My lord.
And they sustained burn injuries.
My lord.
Due to the impact of the acid on the scalp and skin. So that is mentioned in the rejection order. And you are in custody since when?
Since, my lord, 6/11/23.
6/11/23.
23. My lord.
So have you received the case diary?
No, madam.
So get the case diary, injury report, and recent photographs of the victims of acid attack.
My lord, permit to withdraw.
You want to withdraw? Land counsel for the petitioner seeks permission to withdraw the application, disposed of as withdrawn.
Item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship? FIR laws under section 363, 380 and 457 of IPC, subsequently case converted to 302, 201 and 120B of IPC.
Just a minute. Is it charge sheet, the case diary is available?
No, madam.
Press matter.
Press matter.
Same order. So case diary and criminal antecedent matter to be listed on 21/6/2024.
Item 10.
behalf of Jyotirmay Sahu, may I place
Hmm.
custody from Belgium. A release on bail on 6/2/2023 and no step custody from Belgium. A release on bail on 6/2/2023.
What is that
That is, it is mentioned in the rejection order, my lord. Page 7, Lordship, kindly see.
Okay, so after you were released on bail, you were attending the court.
Yes, my lord.
And then you did not take any step and NBW was issued.
Yes, my lord.
Then when you were taken into custody?
4/3/2024. NBW issue on 4/7/2023. And bail was granted on 6/2/2023, my lord.
Mr. Das, it's a Belgium matter.
My
It
lord.
seems. Heard the Land Council for the petitioner, Land Council for the state. Land Council for the petitioner submit that the petitioner was on bail and due to non-taking of steps on the date fixed, NBW was issued, by virtue of which he was again taken into judicial custody on 4/3/2024. The rest of the matter, Belgium matter, allowed.
Item 11.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I'm in custody without convicted,
302
my lord.
case. 302 case, Mr. Samantray.
Yes, my lord.
CD available?
No,
Fresh matter.
my lord.
Okay. Case diary.
My lord, the background of the trial, I like to apprise Your Lordship, because there are two cases, my lord. The ST case number, this one, and the another one, my lord. ST case number 119 of 2017, my lord. Both are clubbed together, my lord. And as per the last order of this honorable court, as page 16, Your Lordship, Annexure 2, was rejected because out of 100 charge sheeted witnesses, 98 witnesses has been examined that time, my lord, in 2022, my lord. And that particular case is 119 of ST case number 119, my lord. But as per this particular case is concerned, my lord, out of 61 charge sheeted witnesses, my lord, none has been examined, my lord.
Okay, I'm calling for the status report.
Informant is also not examined, my lord, in this case.
The Land Council for the state submits that she is not having the case diary with him and the matter may be taken up on some other day. Put up this matter on 21st of June 2024. Case diary and instruction relating to the criminal antecedent, if any, be obtained in the meantime. Upper likhibe sab. Mr. Chandan Samantray, Land Council for the petitioner, submitted that in connection with this case, the petitioner was taken into judicial custody on kebe
29/1/2016.
29/1/2016. But till date, not a single witness has been examined. Mr. Samantray, this is your submission.
My lord, this case, my lord.
यही केसटारे
My lord,
कହୁଛି
my
ଆପଣ
lord,
ଯାହା
yes.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସେଇଆ ହିଁ
Yes,
ଲେଖୁଛି.
my lord.
In view of such submission, let a status report be called for from the learned trial court, that is Session Judge Cuttack, in ST case number 41 of 2017. While submitting the report, the learned trial court shall specifically indicate as to why there is inordinate delay in the commencement of the trial in the examination of witnesses. Put up this matter on 21st of June 2024. Yes.
Item 12.
May I please, my lord? Petitioner inside custody, my lord.
NDPS Act, commercial quantity.
Commercial on the basis of co-active statement, petitioner implicated. And I have the annexer 2, my lord, page 13. The co-active person facing trial, and they have been acquitted from the charges that the contraband articles have been seized from them, my lord.
Who were apprehended at the spot?
Spot, my lord, Ruxana Bibi. Annexer 2, Lordship, में page 30.
That lady disclosed your name.
My lord.
So,
And she faced trial and acquitted from the charges.
no, so far as you are concerned, you are in custody since when?
Petition in custody 1/3/2024.
No, 6/3/2024.
Six-
As per the rejection order, it was reflected, my lord. 6/3/2020.
Charge sheet under section 21
21
C.
C and 29 of NDPS.
29 NDPS Act. When you were arrested on 6/3/2024, any incriminating article seized from you?
Nothing.
Yes, Mrs. Sahoo.
As per the rejection order, it was by the confessional statement of the other accused person, but CD has not come in this case first time. Rejection order, it was reflected on the page 29, my lord. As per the confessional statement, the accused person was entangled in this case. On being asked by the complainant, the accused Ruxana Bibi disclosed that she produced the brown sugar from the present accused.
Do you want to obtain instruction about the criminal antecedent?
My lord.
Then
Please.
it can be listed on 21st only on that ground.
My lord.
If you say that it's a case based on circumstantial a confessional statement of co-accused,
My lord.
then let
Co-accused acquitted from the charges.
how many times you will say that?
Sorry, my lord.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 6/3/2024 and his implication in the case is based on confessional statement of co-accused Ruxana Bibi, who has already been acquitted, and nothing incriminating was found from the possession of the petitioner. Learned counsel for the state submits that the matter may be taken up next week so that she will obtain instruction as to whether there is any other material available on record against the petitioner apart from the confessional statement of co-accused or not, so also to obtain instruction regarding the criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Put up this matter on 21st May 2024.
Blame.
Item 13.
13 may I please, your lordship. Lordship,
Yeah.
custody since, my lord, 30th January 2017. It's almost, my lord, 7 years, 4 months adjournment. And my lord, out of 38 charged witnesses, only 14 witnesses have been examined. And my lord, due to such inordinate delay of trial of disposal, my lord has granted the co-accused persons on bail, my lord, that is tagged in Annexer 3, my lord.
Interim bail or complete?
Regular bail.
Regular bail.
Yes.
So, you have got the case diary?
No, my lord, please.
All right. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 31/2017. And in the trial court, out of 38 charge sheet witnesses, only 14 witnesses have been examined so far. And co-accused persons have been granted bail by this court on the ground of delayed disposal of the trial. Learned counsel for the state seeks some time to produce the case diary and also to obtain instruction regarding criminal antecedent, if any, against the petitioner. Put up this matter on 21st of June 2024. A status report we called for from the Learned Trial Court, that is Second Additional Session Judge Raurkela, in ST case number 94/03 of 2017.
Item 14.
My lord, 14. 20B2C. Quantity is 104 kg, 200 grams. My lord, occurrence on 11/11/20.
What is the date of custody?
Custody, my lord, he was arrested on 12/11/2020 and granted interim bail on 27/4/2022 for 1 month. He didn't surrender and once again arrested on 11/1/2024. My lord,
11/1/2024.
My lord, petitioner, my lord, so far as this case is concerned, the trial has not been started as yet. It is a matter of 2020.
You have got the case diary?
No, my lord.
Okay. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on 12/11/2020. He was granted interim bail for 1 month, but he didn't surrender in time, for which non-bailable warrant of arrest was issued against him, and ultimately he was taken into judicial custody on 11/1/2024. It is further submitted that till date the trial has not commenced. Status report be called for. He is not having the case diary and criminal antecedent instruction. That is also to be called for. Matter to be listed on 21st June 2024.
Published.
Item 15.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I am on BC, my lord.
Yeah.
The petitioner is in custody, my lord, since 24/11/2020, my lord. This is the IFL case, my lord. On similar situation, your lordship granted bail one Pavitra Kumar Behra by the annexure 4, your lordship. I kindly see page 23, my lord. Similarly situated. And another one Prakash Kumar Behra, annexure 2, my lord, page 15. They are similarly situated, my lord. Out of 125 witnesses, now only 20 witnesses have been examined, my lord, in this case, my lord. And the petitioner has been implicated in this case.
Yes, what do you say? Similarly situated co-accused have granted.
CD has not come in this case, but the initial record, CD has not come in this case first time, my lord. And as per the allegation, my lord, 39 kg of gold was recovered, my lord.
No, it was granted because of this delayed disposal, and this bail petition is Lalbagh PS case number 294 of 2020, and Pavitra Behra has been released on bail. Are the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 24/11/2020. He has been charge sheeted under sections 395, 411, 412, 409, 120B, 201, 420/34 of the Indian Penal.
This is the case of 395 and 2527 Arms Act, my lord.
No, a charge sheet has been submitted under these offences. This was argued by, I think, Mr. Tripathi was arguing this matter.
IIFL matter, but the present case is just something different, my lord. As for their petition also, he was admitted on the para 2, my lord. It has been further the robber also threatened the employee on the gunpoint and forcibly made them open the.
Is it not Lalbagh PS case number 294 of 2020?
They are all the employee and some of the goldsmith, my lord.
No. Pavitra Behra was in Dokayat Party, and Prakash Kumar Sahu also Dokayat Party. In the petitioner similarly situated.
Okay, then you got the case diary then.
My lord.
The learned counsel for the state takes some time to obtain the case diary and to verify whether the petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused persons Pavitra Kumar Behra and
Prakash Kumar Sahu.
Prakash Kumar Sahu. who have been enlarged on bail in this case put up this matter on such an yes.
Item 16.
Start 2019. In this case, co-accused person granted bail manner. Annexure 3, page 33, man.
No, it's all right. It's a commercial quantity.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is your period of detention?
23/8/2019, ma'am.
23?
23/8/2019.
2019.
Co-accused driver and present petitioner occupant in this case, ma'am.
Who has been granted bail?
Annexure 3, my lord, page 33, my lord. Dhyanchand Naik.
Yes, that decision of the Honorable Supreme Court was relied upon. Mohammed Muslim case and bail was granted 2019 there in custody. And in the trial court, 15 out of 15 charge sheet witness, 5 witnesses have been examined. So order was passed in respect of the co-accused on 12/4/2024.
Ma'am.
You are also apprehended at the spot.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that vehicle
Yes,
you were
same
there.
custody, same, man.
Same
Only
custody.
present petitioner occupant in this case. Co-accused driver in this.
Your earlier bail application is?
Earlier bail application, my lord, first bail application 1/2/2021 direct to trial expedited within this period of 6 months, and second bail application 15/7/2022 order dated. Interim bail, my lord, granted to for 3 months, both accused person, man. ତା ପାଇଁ ବି ମୋ ପାଇଁ ବି ଥିଲା 3 ମାସ।
The learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 23/8/2019, and he was granted interim bail for a period of 3 months in BLAPL number 10536 of 2021 as per order dated 15/7/2022. Taking into account the slow progress of the trial and period of detention in judicial custody. The learned counsel further submits that similarly situated co-accused, namely Dhyanchand Naik, has been granted bail as per order dated 12/4/2024 in BLAPL number 1913 of 2024, and therefore the bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state opposed the prayer for bail. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the respective party, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, release of the co-accused on bail, and taking into account the ratio laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court in case of Mohammed Muslim, I am inclined to release the petitioner on bail. The petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court on his date and shall not try to tamper with the evidence and shall not indulge in any criminal activities, violation of any terms and condition, shall entail cancellation of bail. Bail allowed.
Item 17.
Your Lordship. The petitioner is inside custody since 8/12/2018, Your Lordship. This is the third application of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
What happened to the first two?
My lord, first one rejected on merit and second one, my lord, page 28, your lordship. I have annexed both the rejection order, earlier rejection order.
Did not took case, my lord, first time.
So
My
you
lord.
have not received the card.
No.
My lord, I am submitting something, your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, second bail application is the bail application of 5373 of 2020, your lordship. Your lordship, kindly see the page 28, 29. It appears that the rejection order is dated 18/6/2020. Since in the meantime more than 3 years have been passed, and if the case is still sub judice in the court below, the petitioners are at liberty to renew their prayer for bail in line and trial court, your lordship. Your lordship, kindly see the rejection order. Out of 33 charge sheeted witnesses, your lordship, page 22 of rejection order, your lordship. Out of 33 witnesses, only 5 witnesses have been examined, your lordship. I have annexed deposition of all the 5 witnesses, your lordship. That is annexure 4.
No, if you want to move the bail application on merit, then he's not having the case diary with him. So maybe that apart from those 5 witnesses examined in the trial court, there may be other relevant witnesses. So let her bring that file, case diary. The learned counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain the case diary. Put up this matter on 21st June 2024. Learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that 5 witnesses examined so far in the trial court have not stated anything against the petitioner. Let the learned counsel for the state verify the case diary to see whether there are any other material witnesses yet to be examined or not.
Out of 5 charge sheeted accused persons, 3 were released on bail by your lordship. I have annexed their release order
And also verify whether the petitioner stands in the similar footing like the 3 co-accused persons who have been enlarged on bail. Have you given this bail order copy?
My lord, I have annexed in my bail petition.
Yes.
Item 18.
Item 18, the anticipated bail application. My file has been misplaced, my lord.
कौन चाहूଛନ୍ତି?
Adjournment. After vacation, my lord.
File code पाइबे?
ଘରେ କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ପାଇଲି ନାହିଁ ସକାଳେ
ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ ଟେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନେଇ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଅଛି ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ?
ନାହିଁ ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ ନାହିଁ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଆଣି
ଆରେ ପେନ୍ ଡ୍ରାଇଭ ଟେ ଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ନେଇଯିବେ କୁଆଡେ ଘରେ ଖୋଜିବେ କାଇଁ ଏଠୁ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମିଳିଯିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫାଇଲ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି। The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks for an adjournment. Yes, next.
Item 19.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, the alleged offences are under section 120B, 420 and 409 of IPC, read with section 456 of the Private Money Circulation Scheme Banning Act, Lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is in custody since 4th of February 2019, Lordship.
4th of February 2019. Yes.
Lordship. In the meantime, out of 164 charge-sheeted witnesses, 39 witnesses have already been examined, Lordship.
Okay.
And so far as other, the prosecution has also filed a list of more 55 witnesses to whom they want to examine before the trial court, Lordship.
Okay. So on the ground of delayed disposal of the trial,
Yes, my lord.
Have you not been granted interim bail earlier?
No, my lord.
What is the allegation against you? What you have done?
So far as the allegation against me is concerned, Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 104, my lord.
104.
Yes, my lord.
What do you? Yes.
That I was the managing director of that company who has received money from the public at large. And second allegation is that I was one of the authorized signatories to operate the bank accounts of the company maintained with various banks along with other director, accused number 1. And I had conducted meetings at various places, including at Orissa, that is at Balangir and Sambalpur, and allured investors or public to deposit.
What is the amount you have misappropriated?
So far as allegations against me,
that is to the tune of rupees 1 crore 46 lakhs 87,084 rupees. And similarly situated petitioners have already been released on bail by Honorable Apex Court Lordship. I have also filed the orders before your Lordship on the last occasion, Lordship.
Who are those co-accused persons who have been granted bail?
There is Lordship Prabal Pratap Singh Jadhav and Lakhan Soni.
Just a minute. Prabal Pratap
Singh Jadhav
Baki
and Lakhan Soni, Lordship.
Lakhan
Soni.
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 S-U-N-I.
S-O-N-I, Lordship.
S-O-N-I.
They have been granted by Honorable Apex Court, Lordship. And Prabal Pratap Singh Jadhav was granted bail by this Honorable Court, but subsequently his order was modified by Honorable Apex Court, Lordship.
Have you got the bail order copies of
Yes,
those?
my lord.
Pass on, let us see. And who are they? Those two persons who are granted bail. They are the co-accused persons, but you are the managing director. What role they were playing in that company?
Lakhan Soni was one of the account head of that company, Lordship. And Prabal Pratap Singh Jadhav was the chief executing officer of that company, my lord. Their role has been mentioned at page 106 and 108.
Well, Lordship, I will explain the difference between Prabal Pratap Singh and Harish. If your Lordships will permit me.
Obviously.
Your Lordships, Prabal Pratap Singh was not having the power of signatures of the checks, whereas Harish was having the power of signatures. Prabal Pratap Singh did not maintain bank account, but Harish Sharma, your Lordships, maintained bank accounts along with A1. And your Lordships, the amount of money which is saying, the amount of misappropriation is far more, your Lordships, because jointly, your Lordships, he is responsible for around 1 crore 3 lakhs, and individually he is responsible for around 1 crore 46 lakhs. So the amount, your Lordships, is up to the tune of 3 crore rupees. Almost. Because individually he has misappropriated, and also jointly he has misappropriated. And also last date of hearing, the petition was silent on the criminal antecedents. Your Lordships had asked me whether there are other cases pending or not.
Sorry, my lord, I was not silent. Rather, my Lord Senior has submitted that I have not mentioned. I have mentioned in my application that I don't have any criminal antecedent, but that was not found in my
because the application is silent on the criminal antecedent because it's not mentioned.
Question is that whether you have got criminal antecedent or not.
Yes,
whether you say or Mr. Nayak says. So what is your instruction, Mr. Nayak?
Lordship, he has not said anything in the petition, but on instructions I am submitting there are 5 criminal antecedents. One is in Chhattis.
What are the case number if you give so that he can file a comprehensive affidavit?
Yes, your Lordships.
Say that you have got the information that there are 5 criminal antecedents. He says nothing, no criminal antecedent.
No, my lord. Antecedents are there. What happened in this case, Lordship?
But last date of hearing he said that there are no antecedents.
No, I have not submitted like that, Lordship.
Let us be ପାଞ୍ଚଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ criminal antecedent comprehensive affidavit ready କରିଛନ୍ତି?
No, my lord.
File that comprehensive affidavit relating to the status of those cases. ହେଲା କୋଉଥିରେ bail ଅଛନ୍ତି କୋଉଟା କୋଉ stage ରେ ଅଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. And Mr. Nayak, but one thing is about that delay that will be taken into account at the next stage. And who is this petitioner? Where is his house? This man, this address.
Outside your Lordships.
Madhya Pradesh, this address is okay.
Address I'll verify your Lordships again because it's co-accused your Lordship.
It's from Madhya Pradesh, Shahjahanpur. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 4/2/2019, and in the trial court, out of 164 charge sheet witnesses, 39 witnesses have been examined, and the prosecution intends to examine 55 witnesses more. He further submitted that 2 of the co-accused persons, namely Prabal Pratap Singh Yadav and Lakhan Soni, have been released on bail by the Honorable Supreme Court. The Mr. Sarthak Naik, and Special Public Prosecutor appearing for CBI, however, opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that there are 5 criminal antecedents. As per his instruction, there are 5 criminal antecedents against the petitioner. And the petitioner is not similarly situated like the two other co-accused persons who have been granted bail by the Honorable Supreme Court.
Your Lordship, one more line.
Yes.
Your Lordship, A6, who is a co-accused, his name is Phul Singh. Your Lordships had granted him interim bail, but he had absconded since then.
It is further submitted by Mr. Naik that one of the co-accused who has been granted interim bail, namely Kontana?
Phul Singh.
Phul Singh. Phul Singh has absconded. Stop. Let the London Council for the CBI verify whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. Stop. The London Council, you have got those case numbers with you, those 5 criminal antecedents.
Lordship, what happened? Lordship, particular case numbers are not
Right,
with
he
me
will
because
provide.
those
Mr. Naik, please provide those numbers to him.
I'll provide. There may be more antecedent also. 5 till now we could make out. Rest he can add.
Whatever material available with you, just supply. What is your phone number? Tell Mr. Naik.
Yes.
Please note down so that he will give you.
94.
Take down, take down.
Apodo, you take my number 9999.
Give the check.
9999.
Yes.
777 306.
Okay, President and the London Council for the CBI shall furnish the case details to the London Council for the petitioner, on receipt of which instructions shall be taken and on the same, and a comprehensive affidavit shall be filed relating to the status of those cases put up this matter on 21st of June 2024.
Yes. A free copy of the order, maybe.
Free copy of the order.
Item 20.
May I please? Last division, I have furnished a test surety and report has come at flag B.
Wait. Model for his two bailers, Ananta Turuku and Raghu Khalsa, found to be genuine bailers. They also expressed their willingness to take the petition, but bailer Ananta Turuku has criminal and acha. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ପ୍ରେସ୍ ସିକ୍ୟୁରିଟି ଦବା ପାଇଁ in case of ଅନନ୍ତ ଟୁରୁକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ
The report has come already.
କାଇଁ
Flag B.
flag P. With due respect, I am to submit I verified the genuineness of the two bailers, Ananta Turuku and Raghu Turuku, Raghu Khalsa. They are found to be genuine. The bailers are sworn to. It ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଅନନ୍ତ ଟୁରୁକୁ ହଉଛି
I have filed an one.
Regarding that last occasion on 3/5/2024, I have already sent the letter regarding that, and the instruction was sought for
ଆଉ ଯୋଉ
awaiting the
ନାଁଟା ଦେଲେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଅନନ୍ତ ଟୁରୁକୁ ବଦଳରେ କାହା ନାଁ ଦେଲେ
ସନସାଇ ହରିଜନ
ସନସାଇ ହରିଜନ ଆପଣ ସେଟାକୁ ରିସିଭ କଲେ
My lord.
ତାପରେ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି
Sought for instruction 3/5/2024, I have already sent. Until now, today the IAC sent one letter for awaiting the report
from
from the Koraput, my lord.
all right ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ as per order dated 12/4/2024, since one of the local surety whose name was furnished by the London Council for the petitioner was found to be involved in criminal case, this court directed the London Council to furnish the name, address, and documents of a fresh surety in place of Ananta Turuku. The London Council furnished the name of name and documents of one Sansai Harijan, and the London Council for the state submitted that she has already sought for instruction to ascertain the authenticity of the documents and the genuineness of the bailer, Sansai Harijan, but she has received a letter today from the inspector in charge of Model Police Station, Malkangiri, that some more time is necessary to obtain instruction regarding verification of the criminal antecedent, if any, against the fresh surety, so also to verify the genuineness of the ROR. The written instruction is taken on record put of this matter on 21st June 2024.
But
Yes.
can't be taken it on 21st May.
Next,
Item 21.
21,
May, please,
Mr.
Last occasion, my honorable court directed to take instruction regarding the genuineness of the bailer matter.
Asila. Yes, sir. This genuine. Chandra Biswai, Dhananjay Harijan. After inquiry, as per their Aadhaar and ROR, found to be the persons residing so and so. Documents are genuine, willing to stand as surety. No CA. Yes, everything is all right. Heard the learned counsel for the petitioner, learned counsel for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since
14/9/2020, my lord.
14/9/2020. And how many witnesses have been examined? And prosecution evidence is not closed.
Witnesses out of 17 witnesses, Lordship, 8 have been examined.
Ma'am.
16 witnesses, like 16 charge sheet witnesses. 8 witnesses have been examined. 3 have been declined.
17.
Prosecution intends to examine 5 more witnesses. I just say that only 8 witnesses have been examined so far. And therefore the petitioner may be granted interim bail in view of the delayed disposal of the trial. A report has been called for from the London Trial Court, which indicates that out of 16 charge sheet witnesses, 8 witnesses have been examined, 3 witnesses have been declined by the prosecution, and 5 more witnesses are yet to be examined. Since the petitioner belonged to state of Uttar Pradesh, the London Council for the state was asked to verify whether the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct or not. The Land Council for the state has instruction on Niyas Chanda Aguru. You address huh?
Lordship, guide order dated 14/3/2020.
14/3/2020. Submitted on 14/3/2024 that the address furnished by the petitioner in the cause title is correct one. Today, the Land and Council for the petitioner furnished the names, address, and documents of 2 local sureties. And today, the Land Council for the state has produced the written instruction received from IIC Mathili Police Station, dated 16/5/2024, in which it is mentioned that the documents are genuine and correct, and the sureties are willing to take the petitioner on bail, and there is no criminal antecedent against the two sureties. Considering the submission made by the land counsel for the respective parties, period of retention of the petitioner in judicial custody, slow progress of the trial, while not inclining to release the petitioner on bail on merit in view of the commercial quantity of ganja seized from the possession of the petitioner and bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act, I am inclined to release the petitioner on interim bail for a period of 3 months, subject to condition that Chandra Bisoi and Dhananjay Harijan shall be the two local sureties for the petitioner. Bail application is disposed of, bail allowed for 3 months.
Lordship, I'm appealing in the second item, Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, today I'm furnishing the details of the bailers. I'm furnishing the details of the bailer. I'm appearing in the second
Give him to
I've already submitted. Lordship.
the Land and Counsel for the second item. Mr. Mahanti, Land and Counsel for the petitioner, has supplied the names, address, and documents of two local sureties who are the interested to take the petitioner on bail, and the Land Counsel for the state seeks some time to obtain instruction in that respect, put up this matter on 21/6/2024. Acha segura madhye file କରିଛନ୍ତି taken on record for the their names have also been furnished in memo which is taken on record. So 21/6/2024. Yes. After lunch. So these other matters will be taken up after lunch because now the division bench is. ବସିବାନି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଯଦି କହିବେ ବସିବାନି କଣ Monday, Tuesday ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I have mentioned item number 109. Today is the date of surrender.
କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଭାଇ ମାନେ
Today is the date of surrender. Unless it is
ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ଆସିବ କୋଉ କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଆଇଟମ
109.
109 ରେ କରିଦେବେ interim order is extended till 20th of May 2020.
107. I filed IA for extension of time. My lord, bail was first or second, order first or second. I filed IA for extension of time.
সোমবার দিନ ଦେଖିବା ପରା ତାହେଲେ ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ଦିଟା ବେଳେ ଦେଖିବା ହଁ
ଦି ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ କଣ ବଞ୍ଚିଗଲେ ମଣ୍ଡେ